welcome. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to install Optifine onto Minecraft version 1.15.2. So, if you have Minecraft, you will have, and you have the latest version, you'll have 1.15.2. You click play, you don't have Optifine. And as you can see, if you go into single player, I've got my worlds on here that I'm creating. There's multiplayer, options. This is normal options. That's great. That's really cool, isn't it? But what you really want is Optifine. So if you click on here, if you go to optifine.net, it will take you to this website here, which is Optifine, which is a great website, a great mod that actually does allow you to do loads of different stuff. Now, when I first came onto here, I looked at someone else's video because I didn't actually notice this at first. Optifine HD Ultra 1.14.4. Well, that's no good because I got 1.15.2. You're going to click up here, preview versions, 1.15.2 HD download. Now, that'll take you to this Optifine thing. Don't blame me for using uBlock. I am sorry. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. But there we go. Now you can click here, you download preview. It downloads it onto the desktop. Click save. Once that is downloaded, which I think it is now. Yeah, it's downloaded. You have the file here. Now don't load it through Chrome because it might just not load. So this is the file. You double click that and then it would say, do you want to install it here? It knows exactly where it is. You click install. Optifine is successfully installed. Okay, and that is literally it. Now you can delete that file. It's all done. You go to Minecraft launcher and you have Optifine here. You can click play, load it back up, and now you have Minecraft with Optifine. And I've also got BDcraft because that's a cool texture pack, which you can go to that website and do a similar thing. If you don't know how to install texture packs, then come back at me in the comment section and maybe I'll make another video. But yeah, and it still has all my free worlds. There we go, and that's cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. I just thought I'd make a real quick video because the other video that I watched was like 10 minutes and I don't think it needs to be that long. So I thought, okay, I'm going to make another video for this and it's going to be a real short one. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Wow.